We've been asked about the exponential function f of x equals 4 to the x. I've sketched out any exponential function, just a general one, and of course 4 to the 0 power will equal 1, so we know this is the point 0, 1. When we look at the answer choices, they asked us about some other points, so I'm just going to make a table when x is 0, 0, 1, negative 1, and maybe I'll check 1, 4, and 1/4 just to see if those come up. So when I use 0, 4 to the 0 is 1, that's our x or our y-intercept. When I try 1, 4 to the 1 is 4, and when I try negative 1, I have 4 to the negative 1, well that's like 1 over 4 to the 1, or just 1/4. So all those points are looking good. A is true. B is not true. C, 0, 4 is the x-intercept. There is no x-intercept. We will never cross the x-axis, so that can't be true. The domain is all real numbers. That's true. We go forever this way and forever this way. So A and D are true.